For this problem, we are given that line L and line K are perpendicular. Line K has the equation y equals negative 3x minus 4, and line L passes through the point 2 comma negative 7/3. We want to find an equation for line L in both point slope form and slope intercept form. Well, to find a equation in point slope form, we need a point and we need a slope. And for slope intercept form, we need a slope and we need an intercept. Well, looks like for both of these, we're going to need a slope. So let's start with that. They don't directly give us a slope, but they give us some information about the slope. They tell us that line K and line L are perpendicular, which gives us information about both of the slopes. And then they give us the equation for line K. We can find the slope for line K in the equation they give us, since the equation is written in the form of y equals mx plus b. And in this equation, our m is our slope, which is negative 3. So with that information, we can find the slope of line L. Since they are perpendicular, the slope is going to be the opposite reciprocal. If the slope of line K is negative 3, then the slope of L is going to be the opposite reciprocal, which is 1/3. Now that we have the slope, we can write one of our equations because we already have a point. So now that we have the slope and we have a point, we can write our point slope form. With the equation y equals mx minus x1 plus y1, I can take the information that we do have and plug that in. Our point is given to us, x1, y1. We just found that our slope was not negative. Our slope is 1/3 minus 2 plus a negative 7/3. And minus a negative, plus a negative, is just the same as minus. So our equation for point slope form is y equals 1/3 x minus 2 minus 7/3. Now that we have point slope form, we can go one step further and simplify this to get our slope intercept form. The first step we're going to do to simplify is the distributive property. We're going to distribute the 1/3 to both numbers inside the parentheses. And then we can simplify our like terms. And 9/3 can be simplified to 3. And so our final slope intercept form is y equals 1/3 x minus 3.